So if you find yourself in Jinja, this is the main street here, and this is a street where we can buy crafts. This is Faith and Craft Center. This is a famous shop. You can come and buy, support the business. Some of the crafts that we have deras, we have evyondo, we have bags. Balage chekirala. We have mats, we have shopping bags, bangles, shoes, open shoes. We have what else?
For putting the whatever clothes.
For clothes, okay. Ebisero. We have the carpets here.
This.
Okay, African crafts. We have artwork up here. Love. Okay. What else? So many stuff. Please come and support.
Basket.
Come and support Mama Faith. Main Street. Main Street, Jinja. Please
and this one
come and support.
Serving.
This one is for what?
This one for serving.
Okay.
Yes, sir?
Hey.
These are nice for serving.
I can see. Me have loved as well this one here. It's too hot. So how much is this one?
That is 10,000.
This is 10,000. Okay, nice.
It is ngenda kufuna sente.
So kano kameka kano kati.
Ako kamtwa isa kitundu.
35,000. Okay. Then this giraffes.
All of
each is 35.
Each is 35.
Okay. I like the art.
You see?
Karava.
This is Faith's art.
Okay. Please come and buy.
Come and
we have the elephant.
These are bookmark.
Okay.
For books.
For books for pupils in school. How do they work? Bunobukola butia.
This is the mark.
Hey.
These are the mark.
Hey.
For putting hot stuff.
Okay.
Mbulaba.
Okay. Tekako ebyokya kyaya yokya mmere yokya
tubeera na zino eziri gundi ezirimu nazo table mats.
Ezo za mmeka ezo?
Za mitwalo 5.
50,000. Okay.
Tubeera na zino ba widows ze bakola. Nomanyi buno buso n'ebyayi.
Mbumanyi. Okay. So those are how much?
Those for one I sell at 20.
Okay. One is 20,000.
Tubeera na buno wrappers.
So wrappers are how much?
This for 40.
40,000. Wow.
Tubeera na table mats. Tubeera mu
7 pieces.
7 pieces.
All together how much?
For this is for the what? Less mat.
Okay.
Then mekubeera ko neki. Nabuno obutono 6. This is 40,000.
That's 40,000. Abudole wano bwabato. Little girls. Which one?
My work.
So this is the bottle top. You call it here.
For hot stuff.
For hot stuff. Na ebyokya.
Buno buchokolo bumunywamu bya.
Bottle top says a chokolo. Wow, I like the art. How much is this?
That is 15.
15 each. Okay. Uganda flag.
Uganda flag, but also this one for protection of the table.
Okay, really nice. Come and support. Come and support Mama Faith. Main Street, Jinja. I see drums.
These are skirts.
Okay. Wow. Nice. Please come and support Mama Faith. There's a lot of stuff to buy. Tourists. Faith is art. Which other one?
Oh no.
Ako mukyalo mulaba ngali mukyalo nga bali mukyalo mu busiisira. Okay. I like
that.
Wow, nice. Okay, chopboards.
These are chopboards.
How much is each one?
This is 35.
35. Okay. Really nice. Ate buno buki buno?
Support those are activities.
Bwe bukola butya ati?
These are ekisibo kya Yesu.
Ekisibo kya Yesu. Yesu ali mu kibaya Mulaba. These are the kings, 3 wise men. Wow. Interesting. Okay.